Okay, let's start to review the open area model of multiplication. This one is where I want you to imagine the tiles on your desk, okay? We have the dimensions of a rectangle as 34 by 28. So I like my long dimension on top for some reason. So this is 34. And my shorter one is going to be here, 28. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to break these numbers according to their place value. Okay, so 34 is actually a 30 and a 4. And I'm going to separate those two with a vertical line. 28 is actually a 20 and an 8, and we separate that with a horizontal line. So now you see 4 arrays. All right, let's find the area of each one of those arrays. So a 20 by 30 array is 600. An 8 by 30, these two lines are the exact same length. So an 8 by 30 equals 240. This is 8 because it's opposite this side, and opposite sides of rectangles are equal. So that is going to be an 8 by 4, which is 32. And then finally, this one is a 20 by 4, which is 80. Now I'm going to take the area of each of these little sections and add them up. So I have 600. I like to do large numbers first and then go down to the smallest. 80 plus 32. So 2, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 6, 7, 8, 9. So my answer is 952 for 34 times 28. Yeah? Let's get a little harder. 143 is a 3-digit number times 7. All right. Let's draw my array. Say this is 7. This is 143. So what I can do is I can break my 143 into 3 different place values. Okay, I have 100, which is pretty long. I have 40, not as long. And then I have 3, 143. And I separated those place values with lines. And I have my 7. I don't have to make any lines, it's just 7. So 7 times 100 is 700. 7 times 40 is 280. And 7 times 3 is 21. Now I take the area of all 3 of my arrays and I add them up. 700, 280, and 21. 1001. All done.